Hi guys, I am Mel from Mel and Milo and now also Olivia. This channel is meant to inform and entertain and maybe put a smile on your face. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and like and share on your social media so I can spread the words about parrots. Have a wonderful day, morning, evening, weekend, wherever you may be. Thank you. Hi guys, we're going to Home Depot. We're gonna try to make an activity board for the birds. Hi brother. Okay, so we're gonna go into the aisle that has stainless steel hardware. Okay, so we're looking for things that are stainless steel, anything fun for the birds to manipulate back and forth, but it has to say stainless steel. So this is what I'm looking at. Anything really, anything made out of metal, satin or nickel plated things, stainless steel, aluminum. These are safe metals. So I already have a few things that I'm thinking that would be fun for the activity board. So there's so many things. I'm going to show you everything that I end up buying. Okay, so the first thing I did was make a hole in the middle where I'm going to put a bolt in here so I can attach this, if I want to the cage with a washer on the bottom. I'll show you. Okay, these are all stainless steel. So what I will do is from the bottom, put this in here, right? Then I'll be able to attach it to the cage. It doesn't need much because the cage it's just like maybe this much. Hopefully it'll fit. Let's just say. And then I can put it like this and fasten it onto the cage. And then it's stable on top of the cage, on the side of the cage. Next, I think about how I'm going to arrange everything. Make sure I have all the parts before that I attach them. And maybe have to drill some holes. For example, this thing needs to drill some holes. I'm going to put 2 holes so I can attach it on the bottom. Okay, I think this might be the finished product. So here he has something to lift. Just lift and make noise, and he can eat Olivia can eat the feet. This is just to move back and forth like this. Make sure this is all stainless steel or nickel plated, not zinc. This is just to make a noise. Bing, bing, bing. And this is very small. There's nothing, he cannot get caught on this at all. This is just to move around in like circles, you know. Then this is to destroy if he wants to move around. And then there's wood on here and then a middle ring. This is also just to move around. And this he can try to see if he can get the chain out. Yeah, maybe, we'll see, possible. And here we have a little bell he can work on. And here is some plastic chain that he can work on, and I think I had a little, no, I thought I did, okay. Alright, anyway, so let me know what you think about this activity board. I think it turned out pretty good. Well, let's see how Milo feels about it. We'll give it a try.